buko.
It's a prank. Ayusin mo. You have your plates now? That is a new plate in the province.
Good buko.
Ha? Good?
Masarap.
Masarap. That's niyog. Niyog in Bicol. Niyog.
One language at a time. Tagalog.
Ah, tipong pala. Tipong in Bicol.
I thought Bicol was lami.
Lami. Lami. Bisaya yun. Lami is
Bisaya.
like masarap. In Bisaya.
Lami?
Manamit.
Lamit?
Manamit in Bicol. Masarap. Masiramon.
Ang masirang baga tatay matamis.